What's up guys, this is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the engine air filters on your John Deere 333G. Our first step here is going to be getting the boom raised up and out of the way, and then going back here and locking that boom into place. That way we can work at the back of the machine safely. Once it is up far enough that we can throw out our locking pin here, we'll simply reach back to that red lever, throw that out, and then lower our boom down until it rests on those locking pins. Next, we'll go back here and raise up our rear hood and also remove our rear right panel. Now from here you can see we're pretty dirty all underneath, and this is going to be a good time now to go ahead and blow this out if you want to get this cleaned up before changing this air filter. All right, so now once after we've blown everything off, we've let everything cool down a little bit so we don't burn ourselves going in here. We have 3 of these clamps on our air filter housing that we're going to remove. And one here on the back side. And then we'll simply pull this cap off. Now as you can see, that's pretty dirty and dusty, so you want to make sure and get most of that out. Just drop it on the floor, get a lot of that out. And then also make sure that you are relieving the dust here out of your dust catch. Pull out our outer filter here. Now, changing these filters is going to depend on, of course, a few different things. How often you run, what kind of conditions you run in, and how dirty conditions you run in. So we do need to be checking this and either changing this or blowing this out. And then on our inner, we only need to be changing it about every 3rd time. But we're going to go ahead and change this one completely out. No dice. And we'll go ahead and pull out our second one as well. That's better. All right, so now once we're inside here, we can see just how dirty and dusty things are inside. So from here, we may just want to get some blue rags, go ahead and wipe the inside of that filter housing out before we go back in with those new filters. All right, so then going back in with our inner, as we can see just how much cleaner that is, we're just gonna go straight in, give it a push until we feel it completely seat inside there. And then next thing here, we'll go in with our outer filter, slide that over the top of our inner. Same thing, getting it lined up, feeling it slide in and seat as well. And then we'll just go back on with our cap here, and it indicates here on the cap which side the top is. Clamp that down. Then we'll just go back on here with our side shield. So guys, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as that helps us out as well. Also guys, if you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave those down in the comments section below so I can be sure to get back with you. Also guys, if you need the part numbers for these filters that went into this 333G, make sure to check down in that description below. And also while you're in there, make sure to check that link to 247parts.com where you can go to get all of the parts for your John Deere 333G, any of your John Deere tractors, lawnmowers, gators, whatever those things are. Make sure to check that out. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.